In this video, I will provide a demonstration of the Safety Procedure Systems platform. Our platform helps you to easily generate custom safety program materials for your business to help you stay compliant in systems like ISNetworld, Avetta, or Veriforce. We've also built our programs to be compliant with guidelines and requirements from OSHA, Cal-OSHA, and others. This unique system allows you to build the exact safety program your business needs by selecting from our comprehensive library of more than 500 topics. And the best part is, you can have everything ready to go and be on your way in less than 30 minutes. When you first subscribe to the Safety Procedure Systems platform and log into your new user account, you'll be taken to this page. The Safety Manuals page, located here, is where you go to configure and build your new written safety program. We can start building our new safety program by clicking on the button Create a New Safety Manual. This will take us to a safety manual wizard where we will go through each step to choose the options and settings we want for our new program. The first step is to choose the name for our program. You can choose any name that will help you identify it later. For this example, I'm going to enter Safety Procedure Systems Safety Policy. Once we have entered a name, we click Save and Continue to go to the next step. In this second step, we will choose which topics we want to be included in our safety program. To help you find the topics you need, you can search for a specific topic. I will search for first aid and then check the box next to that program to add it to my safety program. We also have a filter menu with several business categories to choose from. This is helpful if you are unsure what topics you need for your particular business. If you subscribe to full membership on our platform, you can select up to 125 topics for your safety program. For this example, I will add a list of topics that are commonly needed for contractors that need to be compliant on ISNetworld. I have selected all the chapters I need, and you can see that the system is telling me I have 38 chapters included in my program. I can now click Save and Continue to go to the next step. In this third step, I can organize the order of the topics I selected however I want to by dragging and dropping each chapter. By default, the topics will be given in alphabetical order. In this case, I don't want to change much, but I will put the Code of Conduct and Ethics policy at the very top. Then I can click Save and Continue to go to the next step. In step 4, we need to choose the company name the software should use for the header and content of our safety program. If you're using our system to generate safety programs for ISNetworld, Avetta, Veriforce, or any other similar system, you should make sure the business name you enter here is the same as the business name you registered in that system. In this example, I will enter Safety Procedure Systems. Next, I have the option to include a business logo in the header of my safety programs. This is recommended, but not required if you do not have a business logo or don't want it added to the safety program. Here, I will drag and drop the logo file that I have on my computer into this blue box, and it will now allow me to make adjustments to the logo. After I make the adjustments I need to make sure the logo looks like it should in the box on the right, I can click Confirm to save the logo onto the server. With my company name and logo both ready to go, I can click Save and Continue to go to the next step. In this step, I can see a preview of my safety program and confirm that everything looks good before the system generates the entire manual. You can see that the logo I uploaded is displayed in the header, and the company name Safety Procedure Systems is displayed in the header and in the content of the program wherever it's needed. If anything doesn't look right, I can go back and reconfigure anything I need to in the prior steps, and then come back to this final step to publish my safety manual. With everything ready to go, I can click Generate Safety Manual. The system will take me back to the Safety Manuals page and start generating my safety program. I can also see its progress on this status bar here. It should only take a few moments to compile the safety manual. Once the status changes to active, we know the safety manual is ready to go. I can click to open this menu under Actions, and then click View Safety Manual. Here, I have lots of options for downloading my newly created safety program. If you subscribe to full membership on our platform, you'll be given both PDF versions of all the content as well as Microsoft Word versions. You can download each individual topic as a separate file down here, or if you want to download all of the individual topics at once, click on Download All Chapters and select which version you need. This will download a zip file that contains all the chapters in the safety program in a single download. If I want to download the entire safety program that was created for my topic selections, I can click Download Complete Manual and then select the version I want. The complete safety manual will include all the topics I selected with a cover page, a mission statement, and an interactive table of contents so I can quickly navigate to any particular chapter in my safety program that I want to reference. If you subscribe to full membership on our platform, you will also have access to our library of resources, which you can view and download by clicking on Resource Library here on the left. This library contains more than 2,000 safety documents and forms, including toolbox talks, JSAs, checklists, plans, and safety meeting presentations. We also have hundreds of these resources available in both English and Spanish. For many of these types of resources, such as toolbox talks, you can automatically generate the toolbox talk with your company and logo pre-populated. The system will use the same name and logo you used for your safety manual. With your full membership subscription, you are also given the ability to update topic selections on your safety manual at any time. Add or remove topics as the needs of your business change or as new requirements come around. We hope you enjoyed this demonstration. As you can see, you can have your own safety program built and ready to go in just minutes with our platform. Get started today, or feel free to email or call us if you have questions.